In recent times, many fitness trends and workouts have become popular, each claiming to have its own benefits. But there's one simple and effective exercise that has stood the test of time and can improve your overall health: running. For adults, it's recommended to do at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per week. Surprisingly, running for just half an hour every day not only meets this requirement, but exceeds it. In today's video, we'll talk about the many ways running can make you healthier, including boosting your mood, helping with weight loss, and reducing the risk of heart disease. If you find our videos informative and helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel. Subscribing not only keeps you updated with our latest videos, but also helps support our channel's growth. Just click the subscribe button below the video, and you'll become a valued part of our community. Thank you for your support. So, without any further ado, let's learn how running can bring significant improvements to your well-being. Number 1. Facilitates weight loss. Running raises your core body temperature, kickstarting the process of shedding excess body fat. The more consistent you are with your running routine, the more calories you burn. Furthermore, daily running fosters the development of lean muscle, resulting in a leaner and fitter physique while maintaining your body weight. For a more intense running session, consider incorporating additional weight, such as backpacks, a weighted vest or wrist weights, to amplify calorie burn during your runs. Number 2. Increases lifespan. Running may be the most effective exercise for extending your life expectancy. Unlike any other form of exercise, running has shown unparalleled effects on longevity. Runners tend to live approximately 3 years longer than non-runners, irrespective of their speed, frequency, or lifestyle choices, like smoking, drinking, or weight. Even just 5 minutes of daily running is associated with extended lifespans. However, it's essential to remember that more running doesn't necessarily equate to more longevity, as running alone isn't solely responsible for this outcome. Number 3. Enhances bone strength. Regular running has demonstrated its ability to boost bone health. As you begin running, your bones experience increased stress and load, conditioning them to withstand this recurrent strain. This form of exercise also fortifies your bones, reducing the risk of bone trauma. Moreover, running enhances bone density, reducing the likelihood of conditions like osteoporosis, osteoarthritis, and rheumatoid arthritis, particularly in the hip and spine regions. Number 4. Enhances heart health. Running accelerates your heart rates, strengthening your cardiac muscles. Simultaneously, your lungs engage in rapid expansion and contraction, fortifying your respiratory system. Robust cardiorespiratory health can ward off heart disease, lower cholesterol, avert type 2 diabetes, enhance lung capacity, and bolster your immune system. The better your cardiorespiratory health, the fitter you become. Running at least a mile daily is a superb method to keep your heart and lungs operating at peak efficiency. Number 5. Improves blood pressure. For those grappling with high blood pressure or seeking preventive measures, a regular running routine can be a game changer. Consistent running can enhance blood pressure regulation and myocardial function, as your heart benefits from increased exercise. Maintaining healthy blood pressure levels also decreases the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Remarkably, running can lower systolic blood pressure, the top number in blood pressure readings, by an average of 4 to 9 millimeters of mercury, rivaling the efficacy of some blood pressure medications. Number 6. Promotes better sleep. For those perpetually fatigued due to sleep deprivation, a daily mile run can work wonders in facilitating a restful night's sleep. While it may seem counterintuitive, running doesn't merely tire you out. It goes further by releasing endorphins that help alleviate anxious thoughts that disrupt sleep. Over time, your overstimulated brain learns to relax, banishing those restless worries to the background. Additionally, Exercise affects your body temperature, with post-run cooling facilitating relaxation and preparing your body for sleep. Number 7. Boosts mood. Stepping onto the treadmill or hitting the trails can work wonders for your mood. Aerobic exercises like brisk walking, running, or jogging stimulate the release of endorphins, natural chemicals that combat depression and anxiety. Endorphins are the key to the sought-after runner's high, characterized by euphoria, reduced anxiety, and heightened pain tolerance. Even a brief 30-minute run or walk on the treadmill can elevate your mood, transitioning you from a good mood to a better one or helping alleviate mild depression. Number 8. Boosts confidence. Perhaps your running skills were lacking when you initially embarked on this journey. You may have only managed to walk a short distance on your first attempt or gave up midway. However, consistent effort inevitably leads to progress, no matter how slight, and this can significantly boost your confidence. Each run, whether a mile or a marathon, sets a goal for you. Surpassing previous limits in terms of distance or speed instills a profound sense of pride and accomplishment, which in turn enhances self-confidence. Increased confidence extends its positive influence to all other aspects of your life, complementing your overall growth. Number 9. Stress management. Stress relief ranks among the top psychological benefits of running. Stress can manifest due to various factors such as work, family, or life-changing events. When stress affects your brain, its impact reverberates throughout your body. Therefore, if your body feels better, so does your mind. Running stimulates the production of endorphins, serving as natural painkillers and promoting better sleep, thereby reducing stress. Moreover, running increases norepinephrine levels, a chemical that moderates your brain's response to stress. Running provides a valuable opportunity to either confront or temporarily escape from your worries, ultimately lowering stress levels. Number 10. Tones your core. Running doesn't solely benefit your lower body. It also provides an excellent workout for your core muscles. It challenges not only the rectus abdominis, six-pack, but also the deeper core muscles, including obliques, erector spine, and transverse abdominis. These muscles play pivotal roles in stabilizing your spine, transferring power between your arms and legs, and engaging your core for improved posture. Number 11. Boosts lung capacity. In tandem with your heart, your lungs play a pivotal role during running. Running demands a significantly higher oxygen intake compared to sedentary activities. If you aspire to enhance and fortify your respiratory function, running is the way to go. Each stride your muscles take necessitates more oxygen to fuel energy production, consequently increasing your breathing rate to facilitate oxygen absorption into the bloodstream. During a run, your respiration rate can soar by 40 to 60 breaths per minute. Consistent running also strengthens your lungs and diaphragm, akin to how weightlifting enhances muscle strength. Over time, your lung capacity increases, enabling you to perform the same exercises with less effort. Number 12. Reduces blood sugar sensitivity. For individuals with heightened sensitivity to fluctuations in blood sugar, running offers a potential safeguard against diabetes. Running can lead to a drop in blood sugar levels that persists for 24 to 48 hours, with high-intensity running maintaining lower levels for up to 72 hours post-exercise. Regular running can reduce blood sugar sensitivity, even in those already diagnosed with diabetes. Additionally, it enhances your body's sensitivity to insulin, as your muscles become more receptive to glucose absorption during exercise. Number 13. Sharpens cognitive abilities. Running encourages the growth of new gray matter in your brain, expanding your cognitive capabilities. Increased brain cell production provides more opportunities for learning and retaining important information. Moreover, your rate of learning accelerates, making it easier to recall information, Running also elevates cortisol levels, contributing to improved information retention and memorization. Whether you're a student or a professional, running benefits cognitive function, making you more alert and receptive to learning. Are you a dedicated runner? What's your preferred time to get on your runs? Share your thoughts with us in the comments section below. We would love to hear and read your comments. If you find our videos informative and helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel. Subscribing not only keeps you updated with our latest videos, but also helps support our channel's growth. Just click the subscribe button below the video, and you'll become a valued part of our community. Thank you for your support.